Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your name in Valorant. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your name in Valorant, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to log out or close your Valorant. And after closing your Valorant, next, I want you to open your Riot Games. And once you've opened your Riot Games, I want you to log in your Riot account. And once you've logged in your account, next, I want you to click this profile icon at the top right corner. And then go to account details. And after that, you will need to log in your Riot account once again to proceed. And after logging in your account, you will now be directed to this website, which is where you can change your name on Valorant. So to change your Valorant name on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see your game name right here, so you can now start changing it to whatever you like. And by the way guys, you can only change your game name once every 90 days or approximately 3 months, so make sure to enter the name that you really like, since it will take a long time before you can change it again. And once you're done entering your new name, you can now click Save Changes to completely change your name. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Valorant name will now be completely changed into the one you've entered. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.